Hey everyone, Danny here with Vader Builds. I wanted to post a quick video just to share some of the Star Wars models that I've been printing since I've started this channel. After watching this video, you can use the links I'm providing so you can download these free files and print them for yourself. Alright, let's get started. This TIE Fighter was one of my first build and review videos. This model was done by Raccoon Design. It was easy to print and fun to put together. The files were made well for 3D printing. The parts were separated by color and no supports were needed. This TIE Fighter is 5 inches tall, but it's still very detailed and looks great. In the original video, I rated the final model a 7 out of 10, but looking back, I should have given it at least an 8. This Imperial Shuttle kit card was really easy to print. It's one that I would recommend starting with, especially if you're new to 3D printing. This file can be a fun activity for kids to put together. It also makes a great ornament. My only complaint was how small it ended up being, which is why I made a bigger one. These files were done by Fix'em Dude. I rated this one a 7 out of 10. This articulated ATST walker is definitely one of my favorites, but it was also the most challenging. This model was difficult to print because of all the fine details, especially with the small guns. I had to make some small changes in the files to get it to work, so if you print this one for yourself, be sure to watch the build video before you do. It was worth getting through those challenges because this one came out awesome, plus I love the articulation. I gave this one a 10 out of 10. This X-Wing is another model that I really enjoyed putting together. Most of the parts for this X-Wing model were easy to print, although you may get some stringing issues with the cannon tips. Two bonuses with this model are the stand and the sticker files that were provided to add the details. I gave this one an 8 out of 10. Alright, this is definitely my favorite so far. It's one of the first files I've wanted to print since I got into 3D printing. This Scout Trooper helmet came out awesome. I ended up making stickers using the Cricut to do some of the details. I did 2 videos for this one for the build and the second for adding the visor. This model was made by Jace 1969, and I rated this one a 10 out of 10. For this next one, I couldn't find any good free files, so I had to make my own, and that's this Darth Vader chest control panel. I made this chest panel for my Darth Vader cosplay. There are a few videos I did for this one, with the last one being a tutorial to add the electronics. You can find my free STL files for this one on printables. Let me know in the comments if there's any Star Wars projects you'd like to see me print next. If you enjoyed this video and you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons and check out this video next. Thank you for watching.